Can we do this? I never thought of doing this. This is what is on my computer. See, it's on my computer. It's not on the floor. Don't look on the floor. It's not there on the floor. Showing you up close. The cube, the cube, the cube. I wasn't sure what to do with any of this. The reason we have the reason we have sixes and nines is because here's your nine coming from top center over to the left. Here's the cube. Here you're going top to the left here. Here you're going bottom to the left here. Top to the left, bottom to the left, equaling to your six or your nine. Here it goes this way. Here it goes this way. Here's your six. Is this one your nine? From below, the two legs, six and nine, man walks, a leg here, a leg here. In between the space over here, the actual dot is at the corner here and the corner here. The passage over here where they meet is in between the two. This is where this one connects. And then this one crosses over this bar over here, and it balances your jack of life, just like the anchor or that buoy. That'll connect you right here. So here you have a small cube. I'm not sure what the difference between this being your 9 and these being your 6 and 9. You see where this number comes in? Looks like an E. Forget about the C in black, right? Let's just take the complete 8 and 8. Hook up 88. And at the same time, it's 6 and 8. And the odds of the 6 and 8 and the cube reverses on 6 and 8 is 62 is also 51. 62 is, so the queen is also 1 and 5, the polar of it, creating the 7th gate. And at the same time, here's your small 6 and 8. Here's your 6 that goes up over here, ends over here. See this line over here? That's the middle line, right over here, in between line. Here's, look, here's a flower, a tulip, a tulip, a tulip. Unless you turn it to the side, it could be the W. What does the W support? What is the support here? It is in the between. Here are 3 numbers. One number here, one number here, one number here. It takes 3 numbers to complete. One here, one here, one here. Let me just try and fix this. Okay, so it's 3 numbers, and then there's an in-between. And then there's 3 numbers, and then there's an in-between. And then there's 3 numbers and an in-between, 3 numbers and in-between. So each one of these circles create 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. There's a total of 18. But we must understand when we count this, if there's 18 this way, I automatically need 3 this way. 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 54. 54 is the number to the sun. 4 by 4 is the IT system. 29. IT. SHIT, shit, right, is 28 and 29. No, shit, S and H, okay, is 19 and 8, 27. And IT is 29, 27 and 29, 56. So anyways, let me continue with this. So this is 54 this way. You need a total of 54. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. But remember to fill the gap in between here and here. These two now overlap. Do you see this one here? This one overlaps on here. It overlaps with the center here and then the corner here. These two are overlapping. See where it shows the left and the right over here? Don't look at the red. Look at the black. See the arrows in the black? See the arrows in the black? Now we automatically need this one over here empty because there is no other one on the left, and we need this one empty. There is no other one on the left. This one would connect. Now it would go down, up, down, up, down, up, creating these two to come together. Then it would go down, up, creating these two to come together. Then it would go down, up, these two creating together. So now we have 3. Now we have to connect the in-between. We connect this one to this one over here is 14 over here. Then we connect, this one is already together. Then we connect this one over to this one in between. So we need 2 connectors, one here and one here. We don't need one here because this is its own flower. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers. So in order to create this flower in the center, I automatically need this flower here and this flower here. There is a total of 36 and 36, 72. 36 and 36, 72, 36 and 36, 72. The total here is 216. But that's not it. I'm not finished. Because up top, it starts like this, okay? It's closed in. I close this in, okay? But at the bottom, if you see the bottom down here, this is a continuous to this. In order to have the in-between, see, this is the in-between to these, but I don't have an in-between to these. I don't have an in-between to the lower. So I must now have to flip it the other way and give myself another rang of the total over here is 12 rows. I'm going to have another total of 12 rows. 12 rows below it. I'm going to have 24 rows. 36, 36, 36 is 108. And the distance between is 109, 10, 11. This row over here. This row that I crisscrossed over here is this row over here. The 110, 111th floor of the tower. What is this? What is this? This is the roulette table. This is how you bet. This is the betting formation. This is what it actually looks like. And this is what happens when I make it bigger, when I expand it. In this corner is number 1, and this is 3. In this corner over here is number 3, and this is 1. And this is 1, and this is 3. Then what is it over here when they meet? This is 3, but there's an in-between over here where they meet. They meet at 2, but they can never meet at 2. They have to meet in between. Do you follow? In this corner up here. Down here is number 6. Over here on this side is 6, and over here on this side is 6. 6 and 6 come together is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 and 3 meet at 3. The in-between. But we're not talking about that. We're just talking about we started with 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we went ahead over here and we went, excuse me, was this in red? Excuse me, let me see if I did this right. Let me see if I did this right. No, let me do this again. I'm going to do this again. We're going to start here, okay? You see this one over here? These all went up into the next block. This is number 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. See over here? These are the next blocks. I don't want to count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like I told you. 6 times 36 is 180, 216, like I mentioned. 216 here, 216 here, 432. And then 216 here is 648. And then 216 again will give you 864. 4 times 864, 864, 864, 864 minus 666 equals to 198. 198. Now I have to make up the story with 198. 198 divided by 3 is 666. Okay, so 666 equals 1998. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that. We started off with the roulette thing. This is all about the roulette. And if you'd like to see it, is there another picture here? Can I change this picture? Let me see. And there's this one over here. You see how I connect 2 sides together? Instead of doing it this way, instead of doing it the way I showed you over here, I'm showing you here. All the red is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the red numbers. All the yellow is the black numbers. And in between, this is what it makes. These 2 pools, how it mixes the center. The number over here is number 23. The number over here, let me show you again. The number over here is 32. The number over here is 23. The number over here is 14. The number over here is 5. 5 connects to 4. 14 connects to 3. 23 connects to 4. 32 connects to 3. This one connects in between. We're going to go up over here to where between 14 and 23, between 14 and 23 is in between over here. Do you see these? Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. because red connects to red 39, black connects to black. Black connects to black. Where am I? Black, this one over here, 17 and 20. This one over here, 17 and 20, 37, 37. Connected with this, we're not going to talk about this. You see the Y and the Y, the 1 that connects to V, V and 1, and V and 1. 5 and 5 connects 1, 6 or 6, or 5 and 1 is 6 and 5 is 11, 5, 6, 5 right over here. Connecting these walls together. How is these walls connected together? With 1 and 1, minus and minus because it's below and above. Walls are on each side. They're helping each other. This is above and below. The minus, what it looks like the minus sign. This one over here, 16 and 19, S&P, Standard and Poor, 35 equaling to 8. 17 and 20 equals 37 plus 6 equals to 43, DC. And this one is 39, the sky, Saturn sky. Altogether, it's 111, 111. Inside here and inside of here, this is 222. 222, multiply it, times 8, 1776. Keeping in check. Here's your four-cornered pillars. Here's your chalice cups. Number 2369, Grover Cleveland. Grover Cleveland is present over here. Grover Cleveland is here and here. Grover Cleveland is here and here. He is the bar. Do you remember this Y over here? Well, now there's the same Y over here. This is Grover Cleveland's Y where he fits in right over here. This section over here is 23, 46 together. This is the mind, the memory, the MB, the something to do with the letters megabyte. 23, 23. Over here, 24, 25, 48 says space, and look at the I space, the H, the separation with the above and below. Maybe the sky, they raised the sky or something. I don't know. Excuse me for holding it too high. So this is this design of it. You see the 888? Now I have to take this and I have to duplicate it here, here, and here. So I'm gonna take a look, and we're gonna just stay here for 2 more seconds. Let's see if I can find something. And now you can see in here, you see the alien over here. You see the, I don't know if you can see the alien shape here, the alien shape here. It takes 2 with the space in between to create something smaller because of the heads that overgo, and because of the indentation of the hips, showing a new life. There it is again. I'm just trying to look for something in here. I'm not trying to really show you my pictures. Oh, let me look for this back over here. No, I don't have it. I'm looking for the pictures somewhere, but I want to show you just one thing that I did do. I'm looking for it. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah, it's here. Here. See, that's the one that was above. Now the one that was below, I'm showing you here. Now take a look the way it shows. See this one over here? The way it goes this way and down? The way it goes, see that? And then it does it here. It goes this way and down. This is not really a diamond. This is an angle. This is going this way and down. That's why we see it this way. See, it goes this way and down. Here's your first one. This one goes in between here, which goes in between here, which goes in between here, which goes in between here. And now we have the mind, 2 big eyes and a nose, 2 big eyes. Here's the eye in between, the eye in between. Now, how many of these do I need? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In order to have 7, I also need the outside, and it has to be half. It doesn't have to be whole. It will be missing half because it'll reconnect to the other side. This side will hold half, this side will hold half, so the end will be half. So I only need half here, so I have to begin on half on each side. So I begin on half on each side, and my first one is here. 1, 2, 3. This one is between 1 and 1. You see the Roman numeral here, here, and here? 1, 1, and 1 is 3. And 1 is 4, is over here. Here's the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, and here's the fourth one. So this is the fourth one. So I have each one is in between 3 and 3. 1 is in between 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. The 1 space to the 3 to the connect. You connect within the 1 space. That 1 space in 3 creates your 7. What is the size of this square? The size of this square is, and we must go out to at least here. This is only the beginning. I must go out all the way to here to complete this one in its own zone. So in order to create this, minimum is here. This one is numbered, okay, this is upside down, I think. Yeah, this is upside down. I did this upside down, so I'm going to turn it the other way. Hold on a second. Okay, this was upside down because this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 over here. Okay, so what I have to do, you see this over here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This one over here, this one is 36. This one over here is 36. Okay, equaling to 9. This one is 34, equaling to 7. Okay, this one equals 32 equals to 5 in between the middle. So it's not going all the way up over here. It's reaching here. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, but they're missing the one over here. It's 1. There is no 3. When you get to the last 9, there is no 3 involved over here. No 3 in the last 9, only 1. It goes 1, connects right to 9. And then once 1 connects right to 9, you reconnect it to the beginning again. 1 connects to 9, 9 connects to 1, 1 connects to 3. This is the beginning, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This has to go back here. So this one over here, number 9, and this one, number 3, will equal to 12. 9 and 3 is 12. This is 7 connected to 1. This will equal 8 and 12. 8 and 12 is 6 times 2, 6 plus 2, equals to the queen. And this is how your T comes to creating together. I have to mark that down. I must have to mark that down. I have to connect 34 and 36 back down to, this is 7 and this is 9. I have to now connect it to 1 and 3. 1 and 36 must connect together, and 34 and 3 must connect together, equaling to 37 and 37, or it must be 34, 7 connecting to 1, and 36, which is 9, connecting to 3, which will make 12 and 8. 12 and 8 is 6 and 2, which is 12 and 8, equaling to the queen and the freedom. The queen and the freedom. Queen and the freedom equals A, B, H. I should have showed you this. Where does this come from? These are the roulette wheels. The bottom here and the top here, I connected together. I connected together first this way and then this way. Oh, I'm looking from the other side. So 34, 36 equals to your 70, and 0 equals 6 equals to 76. So the in-between of this, 1 to 5 equals to 15. In between that is 2, 3, and 4, which is the reverse 8, 7, 6, which is the 30 world, 10, 10, 10. Do not count 1 and 9 because they're passing in the center of 4, 1, 4, 9. Here's the 1, so don't count the 1 because it's over here in 9, and 9 inside 1. 8 and 1 is 9. So here we get 34 equals 7, 36 equals 9. We connect 9 to 3, we connect 7 to 1, 8 and 12, 6 by 2, 6 plus 2. This is the queen. It also says freedom. It also says 6226, which is God, God. God, queen. 62, 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 and 6 is 14, equaling to 62. 62 and 51 equals to the 7th gate. 62 and 48, which is now for space. 4 by 8, 4 plus 8 equals to 44, which is the word for space. 4 by 8 equals to the 62. I'm a little lost right now. This is 113 and 11. This is the God and the queen. How God became to be number 26. How can we get 26? We need 7 plus 19. We need S and G. 1 times 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 3 equals to 4. 4 by 3 equals to 12. Plus 7 equals to 19. A, B, G, E, L, bagel donut, space game, artificial intelligence, pass it through the hole, S and G, the spirit of God, the dog and the queen that match together all back to the beginning, because the beginning of this and the end of this is what made me tell you this story over here inside of Numbers. We take this one over here. We have 1, 2 on the outside. Let's say we just use these 3 over here. This is 108 plus the 2 separations. The top and the bottom is 110 floors of the towers. It's 12 all the way down. But 12 all the way down and 12 over is 144, 1,440 minutes in a day. It's this one over here that is the center. The question is the center to what? Do you see these arms over here? Okay, this one is open. Look at the jack. Look at the little jack. What does it make? What will this design continue into? This is where I took this design. This is from the roulette table. Let me see if there's anything else. Let me see. Just gonna try and pick off one more design here. Nah. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this, and we're gonna leave the video at this. Raphael sitting inside my den, having a good afternoon. Thank you for watching the July 4th weekend. Everybody be well, be safe. Thank you.